Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. We will start the remaining part from the chapter. The chapter name is the story of cricket, and today we will read here part third. So come on the chapter. Television coverage changed cricket. It expanded the audience for the game by beaming cricket into small towns and villages. So dear student, you know that television coverage changed cricket and it expanded. It expanded here means that the advances in technology, because of the advancement of technology, the audience for the game by beaming cricket into small towns and villages. So it has increased the area, cricket has increased the area because of technology, and in villages and towns. It also broadened cricket's social base. Children who had never previously had the chance to watch international cricket because they lived outside the big cities could now watch and learn by imitating their heroes. So, firstly, dear student, we know that children who had never previously had the chance, previously the children they had never such a they had not such type of chance. Now they had the chance. Now they have the chance to see international cricket because they lived outside the big cities. Earlier they were living outside the cities, but today they can see international cricket match and they can learn by imitating. By imitating means copying their heroes. Suppose that you like Sachin Tendulkar, so you can see how Sachin Tendulkar plays. You can learn from him. Understand? So they can imitate, copy. The technology of satellite television and the worldwide reach of multinational television companies created a global market for cricket. So, because of technology, the technology of satellite television, the worldwide reach of multinational television companies. So, you know that the multinational companies, television companies, created a global market for cricket. So, you know that there is a global market, worldwide market for cricket in the world because of multinational companies. Matches in Sydney could now be watched live in Surat. So, you can see matches, the matches which are played in Sydney, Australia. You can see the match, live match in Surat also. Since India had the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nations and the largest market in the cricketing world, the game's center of gravity shifted to South Asia. Dear student, you know that India had the largest viewership. So you know that uh, it is a worldly acknowledged game, but in India, the largest viewership, most of the people watch television, watch match. So because of it, the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nation, amongst the all cricket playing nations, and the largest market in cricketing world. And because of the largest market in cricketing world, the game center of gravity shifted to South Asia. So game center had been shifted to South Asia because of what? Popularity, and because of largest viewership. This shift was symbolized by the shifting of the ICC headquarters from London to tax-free Dubai. So you know that earlier ICC headquarter, International Cricket Club headquarter was in London, but now today the ICC headquarter is tax-free Dubai. Dubai is tax-free, so you can get here ICC headquarter. Understand? 150 years ago, the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, had to struggle to find an open space to play in. So 150 years ago, you know that first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, Zoroastrians, they had struggled to find an open space to play in, and today, because of their struggle, the global marketplace has made Indian players the best paid, most famous cricketers in the game. Men for whom the world is a stage. And now the condition has been changed, and today in the global market, in the global marketplace, Indian players are best paid, most famous cricketers in the game, and they are most famous cricketers in the game. Men for whom the world is a stage, and for them, the interested one, for them, this is a stage. World is a stage. For whom the world is a stage. The transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of gentle, manly, amateur by the paid professional, the triumph of the one day game as it overshadowed Test cricket in terms of popularity, and the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. And this transformation means change from one to another, and this transformation was made up of many smaller changes. There are many smaller changes are the replacement of the gentle manly amateur. Firstly, the gentle manly amateur means non-professional. Firstly, the players were non-professional by the paid professional, and now the cricketers are paid professional. They are getting more money, and they are playing professionally as a professional player. And why this thing happened? The triumph, the victory, big triumph means victory of one day game as it overshadowed. So you know that the one day game which is played of 50 overs is as it overshadowed means dominated test cricket which is played in 5 days in terms of popularity and the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. And there is a remarkable distinct changes in global commerce and technology. So the chapter is written by Ramchandra Guha. Understand?